Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling something super timely: how to transfer USDT from RBI Exchange in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these essential guides. First off, what's USDT? It's Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable option for transactions in the volatile crypto world. With 2025 bringing new regulations, especially in India where RBI might play a bigger role, transferring USDT safely is more important than ever. This guide assumes you have an account on RBI Exchange and some USDT in your wallet. If not, start by creating one and depositing funds. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log in to your RBI Exchange account using your secure credentials. Always use two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're in, head to the Wallet or Assets section to locate your USDT balance. Step 2. Select USDT from your list of assets. You'll see options like Withdraw or Transfer. Choose Withdraw if you're sending it to an external wallet. Step 3. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Make sure it's a compatible blockchain, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on your USDT type. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees. In 2025, with potential RBI regulations, there might be additional KYC steps, so verify your identity if prompted. Step 5. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm it. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Finally, wait for the transaction to process. This could take minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And remember, always prioritize security, use hardware wallets for storage and stay updated on crypto news. There you have it, folks. Transferring USDT from RBI Exchange in 2025 is straightforward with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.